So layer masking is key in Photoshop. You have to create layer masks in order for me to see what exactly you've done to be able to get back to the original image. If you don't have layer masks on your projects, you're going to lose big points. You'll see them right here, these little black boxes with white in there. Those are your layer masks. If I don't see these, you will not receive credit. So let's go over quickly how to do a layer mask. With your image pulled up, any image you want really, let's say there's an area you want to keep, an area you want to get rid of. You need to make a selection over top of that person. Now if you've done the tools crash course, you know the tools that you can do to make selections. So I'm going to grab this tool and I'm going to go over him and I'm going to make a selection of this guy. I'm going to try to get as much of his shirt, as much of his face, make sure to get those glasses, make sure not to get that forehead. And then that's my selection of him. Now, I have him selected. So if I create a layer mask of this image, that's this button right here, add vector mask. Another way to do this would be to go up to the top where it says layer. It's a layer mask, so it's in the layers, layer mask. I can either reveal or hide the selection I've made. I want to reveal it. I want to see what I selected. That allows me to see my guy, right? Look at my layer mask. In fact, I can turn it on and off. I can turn it where you can see the layer mask. This is the actual layer mask. That's the black and white. White is visible, black makes it invisible. I could paint right here. If I paint black, you'll see that when I let go of this, that part of him is invisible. If I come back and I paint white, you'll see the areas that I paint white are now visible, including some of the background. So black and white are the colors that make things visible and invisible. You can turn a layer mask off and turn it on. That's the benefit of it. I can also come in here and draw certain areas and bring parts of the image back. So if I made a mistake, on the head here, I can bring back the areas around him so that I can see that whole image again, if that's what I want. So that's the benefit and power of a layer mask. If you look in your layers and instead of layer masks, you've physically deleted things, such as, let me get rid of it. So when you've cut things out, you just instead basically hit the delete button like this, and you look in your layers and there is no layer mask there, that's a problem. You're going to lose points on every project that you do that. So make sure you're using layer masks and you're using them correctly. All right? Good luck.